Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 7 Lesson 15 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, Miguel glues a ribbon border around the edges of a 5-inch by 8-inch picture to create a frame. What is the total length of ribbon Miguel uses? Alright, so a 5-inch by 8-inch picture. So 8-inch and 5-inch. So ribbon around the border. So that means the outline, like around the thing. So that's perimeter. What we're trying to find is the perimeter of the shape, basically. So perimeter, 8. So we can add 8 plus 5. But what are the unknown lengths? Since this shape is parallel, this side is 8 inches, this side is 8 inches. If this side is 5 inches, then this side is 5 inches. So 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, perimeter equals 13 plus 13. So perimeter equals 26. And we'll answer the question, the total length of ribbon that Miguel uses is 26 inches. So yeah. And number 2. A building at Elmira College has a room shaped like a regular octagon. Octagon, remember, is a shape with 8 sides. So just write 8 sides. Tell me, remember. Now, the length of each side of the room is 5 feet. What's the perimeter of this room? So an octagon, see how we draw an octagon. Okay, this might not be best octagon, but it's a little lopsided, but it's okay. It's okay. It's more like a big blob. Wait, let me fix it. Alright. I think that might be a little better. But the length of each side is 5 feet. Mine looks like an egg. So to find the perimeter, we have to add up all the side lengths. All 8 sides. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2, 3. Alright, perimeter 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So our perimeter is 40. That means the perimeter of this room is 40. What's our unit? Feet. 40 feet. So it's important, remember when you're answering, especially word problems, to include the unit of measurement. Because who knows, it might be 40 inches, 40 meters, 40 centimeters, never know. Alright, now number 3. Manny fences in a rectangular area for his dog to play in the backyard. The area measures 35 yards by 45 yards. What is the total length of fence that Manny uses? Alright, so kind of like what I said in the previous video, or I think I might have said it earlier here. The fence. That's kind of like how I like to think of perimeter. It's as if you built a fence along the outline of the shape. So that's what Manny's doing here. He's fencing fence along the outline. And our job is to find the total length of the fence. So basically the perimeter, because how much fencing he's putting in. Well, let's see. Perimeter, gotta add up all the side lengths. So perimeter equals, let's see, 45 plus 35. 35 plus 45 is 80. So do that again, that's 80. So perimeter, 80 plus 80, that'd be 160. So the total length of fence that Manny uses is 160 yards. Include the measurements, and you're done. Alright, next page. Number 4, Tyler uses 6 craft sticks to make a hexagon. Each craft stick is 6 inches long. What is the perimeter of Tyler's hexagon? Hexagon, remember 6 sides. So that's why he used 6 craft sticks. So let's see. I think it's slightly better than my octagon. But, okay, 6 inch long, each craft stick. So that means each side is 6 inches long. So find perimeter, we add up all the sides 6 times because it's a hexagon. So perimeter, see, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 6 is 30, plus 6 is 36. So that means the perimeter of Tyler's hexagon is 36 inches. Alright, now number 5. Frances made a rectangular path from her driveway to the porch. The width of the path is 2 feet. The length is 28 feet longer than the width. What is the perimeter of the path? Alright, so let's see here. The width, okay, this is a little interesting. This one's a little interesting. So, let's do it this way. The width is 2 feet, but we don't know the length, but it does tell us it's 28 feet longer than the width. So what does that mean, 28 feet longer? When something says that, longer than the width, that means the length is as long as the width, but 28 feet more than the width. So the width is 2, so it's like 2, but 28 feet longer than 2. So 28 plus 2 equals 30. So that is our length. And if this side is 30, then this side is 30. This side is 2, this side is 2. Feet. So perimeter, 30 plus 2 plus 30 plus 2. That's 32 plus 32. So our perimeter is 64. That means the perimeter of the half is 64 feet. So, alright, and number 6, the gym teacher uses tape to mark a 4-square court on the gym class as shown. Outer square has side lengths of 16 feet. What's the total length of tape the teacher uses to mark square A? Alright, so this one's a little tricky. It seems a little tricky at first if you read it, but if you really put some thought into it and you really think about it, it's actually pretty simple. So, let's see, the outer square, so this whole square combined, the side length is 16 feet. So that means this much on the side is also 16 feet. So what we want to figure out is the total length of tape the teacher uses to mark square A. So the perimeter of this. So if you think about it, it's a 4-square court. So all the squares are equal in area and length. So if this side is 16 feet, so if the side lengths of A and C, if this side of A and C combined is 16, and they're both equal, then find one side, 16 divided by 2, because 16 feet is being counted from 2 squares, and we get 8. So that means the side length of A is 8, and the side length of C is also 8. Now, since it's a 4-square court, that means the shapes are squares. So that means all the side lengths here is 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So now you really have the information to find the perimeter of all the squares, but we're finding square A. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Perimeter equals 16 plus 16, and that's 32. So the teacher used 32 unit feet of tape to mark square A. And that's it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!